lead niya, tapos yung intro.
Subukan natin ano yung just take.
Just take daw.
Try
Ano
mo.
kayo?
Just take.
Just.
Just take. Wala na yung ano ha? Yung activan. Hindi ko pa napag-aral.
Sino ba yan?
Ano?
Yung ano?
It's late at night in the middle of the
Can you imagine living my life after you're gone?
Pakikinig kayo.
Tag natin?
Answers.
Sige. Sa akin. One.
It's late at night and neither one of us is sleeping. I can't imagine living my life after you're gone. Wondering why so many questions have no answers. I keep on searching for the reason why we went wrong. Where is our yesterday? You and I could use it right now. But if it's saying goodbye, just take my heart when you go. I don't have the need for it anymore. I always love you, but you're too hard to hold. Just take my heart when you go. Here we are about to take a final step down. I just can't fool myself. I know there's no turning back. Face to face in an endless conversation. But when the love is gone, you're there with nothing but talk. I give my everything. If only I could turn you around. But if it's a goodbye, just take my heart when you go. I don't have the need for it anymore. I'll always love you, but it's too hard to hold. Just take my heart when you, just take my heart when you go. I don't have the need for it anymore. I'll always love you, but you're too hard to hold. Just take my heart when you go. Just take my heart, just take my heart, just take my heart.
Ano, kunin natin yan? After you go, wonder why so many questions has no answer. Looking for the reason why Ano? Pero okay na yung ano, come together siguro, pampata. More, okay, more. Yung mga matatanda dyan. Pag ito. Ito lang naisip lang yung parang sumayan ng ngayon.
One? Yung may one?
Ano yan? Ano? Merienda time? May kasama mo.
Wake me up! Ay, wala ba?
Silent. You say. Sa linggo pag-ibig.
You say, ang Ingles ng sinabi mo. You say, ang Ingles ng sinabi mo pa. Gusto mo lumigal at iyo. Umarap ka na pangit at ibigin mo tonight. Isang pangit na talaga tinutanggal. At huwag ang babae na inyong pangarap. Ngunit kung bakit ko sinabi to ay simple lang. Huwag kang magagandang babae. Naglalaro na ang iyong oras. Bago tira at talagang ni handa-handa. Iwanan ka naman sa sandali. Wala ka talaga magbigay. Basta
So, okay na yan. Pero sa ano, first day dapat isa pa, sa ride mo lang tayo, sa rapon. Sa banan. Kailan natin hirap mo? Pre, sa rapon, hospital. Kaya saan dati natin tambayan?
O, doon na sa may
Oo.
Hindi mo yan? Hindi mo yan?
Hindi yan, gusto mo yan.
Meron ako doon. Limayan ako.
Ha?
Yung
Nadali mo?
Mali. May battery?
Yung may battery.
Micro.
Ilang oras yun?
Tagal.
Ito.
That's na naman.
Ikunan ko yung paraan yung ano, shut up. May ibang nakita ko, iba yung style ng kapay. Voice pa nga.